Lesson 10, page 9. My name is Michael Tsiapoudos with Patriarch of Psaltophiles, and today we are going to learn about the third and last big category of characters. So far, we've learned about characters of quantity that they tell us by how much to go above or below a certain note. We've learned about characters of time that they modify the one bit of the quantity characters. And today we're going to learn the last category of characters called the quality characters or χαρακτήρες ποιότητος, not ποσότητος, not χρόνου, but χαρακτήρες ποιότητος, characters of quality. There is something unique about the characters of quality that you should know from the very beginning. The characters of quantity and the characters of time are very precisely set. The rules that you go one note up when you see an oligon, it's set in stone and it doesn't change ever. If you see a klasma, you add a bit and that doesn't change ever. If you see a gorgon, you perform that character on the arsis and that doesn't change ever. However, with the characters of quality, there are more than one ways that you can perform the how that particular character of quality tells you to perform it. There is no way for you to try and understand and conjecture or imagine how a character of quality should be performed unless you actually hear a traditional chanter and preferably a recording of a chanter that has served in the Ecumenical Patriarchate Church of St. George in Constantinople, for you to be able to be confident that that quality that you are giving into your performance is what the symbol really wants you to do. Becomes a little bit tricky because sometimes the same symbol could be performed in 2 or even 3 or 4 different ways. Most of the quality symbols, they're straightforward up to an extent. There is 1 or 2 ways you can perform it, but there are other symbols of quality that they get a little bit tricky, and the only way for you to know exactly how to perform them in each given situation, according to the context, according to how the combination of the quantity characters is with the quality characters. To learn that, you have to listen to traditional chanters so you can kind of get a feel of how these situations are performed. Okay, so the first symbol that we are going to learn from the category of the quality characters is called Monolon. Monolon. Uh, Monolon gives a quick wave or a jerk in the voice. I am going to perform the first line first without the effect of the Monolon and then with the effect of the Monolon. So the first time I say this, just pretend that this Monolon is not there. The with the Monolon, the quick jerk. Without the with the hear that quick wave? That kind of a jerky laryngismos or throat performance. Laryngismos from laryngas, that means throat. Um, Chanters usually call these things that you do with your throat laryngismi. So that's what this omalon is doing. Without the, with the, with the, with the, without the. Okay? So it's a quality character because it tells you how to perform something that otherwise have been pretty plain. But with the inclusion of that omalon, you know how to perform it because the person that wrote the music wants you to have that performance with your voice. Second line, without. The. The second ison goes on the arsis because it has the gorgon. Without the, okay? The, okay? With the, without the, with the, the, the. Okay. Third line, without gorgon, glasma. Gorgon makes this ison go on the arsis. Glasma adds another beat to this ison. Without the. Yes, with the. Without the. With omalon. The. Fourth line, without the. With the. The. And sometimes you may do it in a very quick way with jerky motion. Sometimes it may not sound so rushed. It may be a little bit more relaxed. It depends on the chanter. It depends on how you feel that day, and depends what kind of emotion you want to put into that particular performance. But the idea of omalon is pretty much what I'm telling you now. Now, if we put a plasma on top of this ison, I'm sorry, on top of this oligon, that plasma is going to replace the ison. In other words, here we say que the. We could say que the. Excuse me. Que the. Que the. Que the. Without. Que the. With. Que the. Okay, one more time, all the exercises, and that will be the end of this lesson. The, the, que So there you have it. Monolon, congratulations. That is your first quality character. So uh, we are going to be using Monolon in the Sprezviestis Theotoku piece next lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.